Excuse me. Did you see a yellow puppy, Buster? Can you hear me? Stop it, Buster. You are so annoying. Tom, you are a bad owner. I am not. I am just busy with my game. Look! The door is open. You are very careless. It is okay. He will come back soon.
Hello, kids. Where is our little Buster?
Wait. Buster? Buster, where are you? Oh no. He is gone. This is terrible.
We need to find him right now.
Look at Mr. Grumps. He looks dangerous. Did he steal my dog in that bag?
Tom, do not say that. We do not know the secret.
Buster!
Buster! Come here, boy. Excuse me. Did you see a yellow puppy? Yes, he ran that way. Very fast. Tom, stop! He is a liar! That is a fake direction. Why did he lie?
It is getting dark. We must hurry.
I see him. Mr. Grumps is taking my dog.
Tom, calm down. You are making things worse.
I will find Buster. I am not afraid. Tom, wait. It looks very dangerous inside. I don't care. It is my fault. Tom!
Stay close to us.
Buster? Can you hear me? Who is there? Is it the bad man? Oh, just a cat. Not Buster. I will not give up. I am sorry, Buster. Look! The stick! He is here!
Hey!
Let my dog go!
Quiet, boy. You will scare him.
You are a thief! You want to steal him!
Look closely. He is stuck in the thorns.
Oh my gosh! Buster!
It is a secret trap of nature. Not me.
Your hand is bleeding. I am so sorry.
Tom. We found you.
Here is your puppy. Be a good owner.
I was very careless. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for saving him, Mr. Grumps.
Dogs need love, not a screen.
See? He is not a fake person. He is kind. I was wrong. I am sorry for calling you dangerous.
Let's go home, everyone. It's safe now.
You are not annoying. You are my best friend.
Home, sweet home.
Sleep well, Buster. No more running away. He forgives you, Tom. Games are fun, but real life is better. I will be a good owner from now on.
We are very proud of you, Tom.
Family is everything.
And Buster is family too. The best family.
Moral: always take responsibility and don't misjudge others.
Learn English with Slow English Family. Bye-bye.